Yo, yo, yo. It's Pyro Mac. I sound tired, man. It's been a long ass day. Just want to give y'all a quick glimpse of how I'm starting the year off. You feel me? I got some of these joints. You know, this leftover from last year. 200 shot. Got some 5-inch coconuts. 5-inch coconuts. 3-inch coconuts. One of those. Case of 3-inch coconuts. 2.5-inch coconuts. You know, I got the goodie bag. What's in the goodie bag? What's this shit? Y'all know what that be like. Got a couple of those. Got a couple of these. I got some more on the floor. I lit a lot of these bitches last year. We got these. I'm finna make a rack out of these. You feel me? I got these joints. They small, but they loud as fuck. This that man, I forgot the name of that damn mini bombers. Matter of fact, yeah, mini bombers. I got some of those bitches. And another goodie bag, as y'all see. This motherfucker feel triples, doubles, quads. You know, this motherfucker full of shit. This what I picked up. You feel me? Got the motherfucking horn dog, sexy girl. This new, my plug. He told me check this out. He said it's decent, so I'm gonna see what's up. Got my favorite cake. Y'all know, man, this my favorite, bro. I'm finna get like at least 10 more of these motherfuckers. Got double that. And niggas was being stingy, but I found my own plug. Got the 100 shots, motherfucker. 100 shot dog race. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I got like 6 more coming. And what else? Oh, I got this box over here. Goodie box, just full of shit. You know, you see how big the box is, so you know it's full of shit. These is 2 5s, 3s. Got some 3s in here. Oh shit. Yeah, definitely 3s. Definitely. Then got 2 5s. 2 5s. That's a box full of shit, man. But this how I'm starting off, y'all. You hear me? Motherfuckers say I ain't got the juice. Fuck them. Matter of fact, I got some more shit too. What else I got? Oh, I forgot about this shit. I don't want to show y'all too much. A bag of them bitches. Matter of fact, let me put this in here. You feel me? A bag of those. Yeah, I got some other shit, but I ain't feel like setting that shit up, man. But letting y'all know I'm coming strong this year. Strong. Pyro Mac out.